Hello friends, I hope you all watched my previous video in which I had explained misconception about summer and winter seasons. At the end of that video, I had asked a question. Can you remember it? Okay, the question is, which hemisphere experiences the hottest summer and coldest winter? Some of you who have watched the video will say that the southern hemisphere experiences both the hottest summer and coldest winter. Then if I ask you why it's so, you will say that during southern hemisphere summer season, our earth will be 3% closer to our sun than the northern hemisphere summer. Hence, southern hemisphere experiences the hottest summer. Similarly, during southern hemisphere's winter season, our earth will be 3% far away from our sun than the northern hemisphere's winter. Hence, you will say that southern hemisphere experiences the coldest winter. This is how most of us actually think. Logically it is correct, but in reality this is not true. Confusing, right? Don't worry, at the end of this video you will get some clear idea. Before going into this video, if any of you haven't watched my previous video, please go and watch it. Link in the description. Okay guys, let's find the reason. This is Parameswaran, your physics yogi. To know why southern hemisphere does not experience the hottest summer and coldest winter, first we have to understand what is specific heat capacity. Some of you could have experienced that sand in the riverbed is too hot to walk, whereas water in the river is cool. Have you ever wondered why this difference arises, even though both the sand and river waters are exposed to almost equal heat radiation from the sunlight? The only reason is specific heat capacity. It is defined as amount of heat energy required to rise the temperature of 1 kilogram of substance by 1 degree Celsius. For your better understanding, let us consider a scenario. We have 1 kilogram of water at 25 degrees Celsius. To increase its temperature to 26 degrees Celsius, we have to supply 4182 joules of heat energy. That is, specific heat capacity of water is 4182 joules per kilogram per degree Celsius. This is quite high when compared to other substances. For example, the specific heat capacity of sand is approximately 1000 joules per kilogram per degree Celsius. So, when compared to water, sand requires very less amount of heat energy to increase its temperature. That's why the temperature of riverbed is very high when compared to river water. Now I think you get better idea of specific heat capacity. Am I right? Okay. So, when compared to land, in order to rise the temperature of water, we need huge amount of heat energy. Now, if you compare land to water ratio of north and southern hemispheres, you will find that the northern hemisphere contains 67% of total land on earth and southern hemisphere contains only the remaining 33% of total land on earth. From this, we can understand that southern hemisphere is mostly covered by water and northern hemisphere is mostly covered by land. Now we know that when earth is at perigee, southern hemisphere experiences summertime. So due to high specific heat capacity of water, southern hemisphere's temperature does not rise too high. Hence, southern hemisphere with large proportion of water bodies does not experiences extreme summer. And similarly we know that when earth is at apogee, northern hemisphere experiences summer season. Here, due to low specific heat capacity of land, its temperature rises to extremum even though sun is 3% less intense. Hence, people in northern hemisphere with large proportion of land experiences extreme summer. Now I hope you get clear answer for the question why southern hemisphere does not experiences the hottest summer, although it is near to the sun during its summer season. If you understand this video clearly, now you can answer the question why southern hemisphere does not experiences coldest winter although it is far from our sun during its winter season. If you know the answer, leave it in the comment box, or if you don't know, please watch this video again from the beginning. You will get some idea. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for future video notification. It took 4 days for me to prepare this video, but it takes few seconds for you to share with your friends. If you like this video, please share with your friends and support me.